What up YouTube, it is the Internet Income Ninja back with another video up in here. Thank you so much for joining me on this lovely video, this lovely day or night or afternoon or evening or whenever you're watching this. It is the Internet Income Ninja, and I really appreciate you stopping by and watching this video and this channel. I'm also grateful for you hitting that subscribe button. I'm grateful for you smashing the notification bell and liking the video, commenting on it, and sharing it with everyone around. And by the way, go ahead, do yourself a favor, check the links in the description below. It's a secret between you and me. These links are there to help you earn $1,000 per day. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. And on this video we're going to be talking about Earny. I'm not talking Sesame Street with Ernie and Bert. I'm talking Earny, the website, the program, the app that allows you to make money online. You can win prizes on Amazon purchases. But the reason I initially saw this wonderful opportunity is because Earny has a feature where if you purchase a product within a certain time period, if the price drops, that product is protected, meaning they will hold on to the product at the value it was sold, watch the price within a specified period, and if you bought something for say $10 and the price drops to $8, you will get back the $2 difference. Isn't that amazing? So let's look at it real quick. You can earn tickets, get tickets in exchange for actions in the Earny app, right? So maybe there's something happening in your neighborhood, maybe there's a particular movie or something, you can get tickets for that. You can, the more tickets you get, the higher the chance to win. Okay. Cash prizes, prepaid Visa cards, Amazon gift cards, and more. Okay, so you link your Amazon account to get 24/7 price tracking and price drop alerts on Amazon list items. So you can track items to see when the prices drop. As you see here, it was at $399.99, then it fell to $349.99. It will alert you. Alright, money back on late deliveries. We'll let you know if your Amazon packages are late so you can request compensation. You can get money back that way. Earn cashback from friends. Get more cashback when you share links with friends that shop online. So you can share the link to so when you sign up, you can copy a shareable link that you can send to friends, and when they shop you get cashback as well. You can also save money. As I was saying to you, when things and prices fall, you get the difference in what you purchased the product for and the new price that the product fell to. So Earny is connected to over 5,000 brands. These include but are not limited to Walgreens, ESPN Plus, Groupon, Fandango, the Home Depot, Target, Hulu, Best Buy, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom, New Balance, Shop Disney, Boxed, Walmart, StubHub, and so many more. So many more. So guys, they have so far $1 million plus in monthly savings, 30 million plus tracked products, and 750,000 daily price changes. So guys, earn more with Earny and be well on your way to a financially free life. Okay, so that's it for this video for today. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you checking the links in the description below. I also would appreciate if you subscribed, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all later. Stay safe. Peace.